Now I'm on SEO Minion website. You can just search it and you can find it. It's not difficult to find the website. And you can see you can install it on Chrome and Firefox as well. And when you go down of this page, you can see there are main 6 features. I'm not gonna explain these features because I'm gonna actually show how to do on-page optimization with these 6 features, how we can use them. So now I'm on my website, so SEO specialist Sri Lanka page. Okay, so once you install SEO Minion extension, you can see it's coming. You can click that, and then so you can see the URL, right? URL, and these are the features: analyze on page of SEO, highlight all links, check broken link. I just want to click on analyze on page SEO. You can see something. Yeah. Okay, so there are 1668 words on this page, right? So word length, if you want to outrank this website, obviously you need to bring more content. It's much better if you can write it more content, right? And so URL, content, length, and the title, right? So URL and the title, is so important, right? So SEO specialist Sri Lanka, free report, 6 years experience. So 58 characters I have used out of 60, right? And also there is a description. So if you Google blah blah blah, I'm not going to read it. So also there are only 147 characters, right? You can maximum use 150 characters, so don't write more, right? So let's say this is the website you want to outrank, right? This is your competitor website. So this is what you need to do, right? And this is what I do if I want to outrank someone. So when a new client is coming to me, and then if they're asking, okay, I need to rank for this keyword, blah blah blah, so I am going to my clients competitor websites, and I can see what they have done with SEO on page, right? Description. Okay, follow. So normally, meta robots follow an index, right? So this is the main two we need to see, because obviously if it is unfollow, then your website is not gonna index, right? So if it is no index, if it is no index, the website is not gonna appear on the page, not gonna appear on Google, right? And there are few features as well. So, and then there are headings, right? There are 17 headings. Headings are so important as well, right? That's one of the good main factors of on-page SEO, right? That's a big signal. So title is a good big signal, and the URL big good signal, right? Obviously content length, so H1, right? So I want to see if this is my competitor's website. I want to see, okay, what this guy has done, right, with H1 tags. So there are 17 tags, right? Obviously, you need to put your keywords in H1 as well, right? And then there is this section, open graph, right? This is meant for social media, right? So when someone share this URL, and there is a thumbnail or something like this, or title, what it shows, right, automatically, right? So the image for this page is missing, right? And Twitter. Okay, and then go back. So that's the first option. It's kind of the main option, because that's the analyze on page SEO, right? So highlight on links, you can see what your competitor has, like what kind of links your competitor has. So SEO Minion extension has this feature as well, so you can see what are the internal links. This is so important because maybe your competitor has a silo structure, right? Like I said, I think it was the last video, right? I talk about content clusters, right? So you can see where these links going inside, right? If he's building some silo structure or content clusters, right? These are the, so external links, right? External links, I have link Moz, right? And I have linked Wikipedia as well, right? And then there's another option, check broken links, right? I will click it. Okay, great. So valid links 7, total links 9, right? So I have done 2 redirects, right? And there are no any 4.4 errors, nothing, right? Empty links, server errors, nothing, which is a great thing. And let's go back, and then Href flank checker, right? Click that. So because I have done my website, I have ranked on Germany as well. So I'm coming from Sri Lanka, but I live in Germany. So that's why I have done German version of my website as well. So that's what it says, right? So normally if your website is English, so you don't see many thing, right? So DE means German, right? So German version. So you can see the URL structure nimantadias.com, right? SEO, and then the German version of this page is nimantadias.com DE, anyway. And then you can see SERP preview tool, right? I don't want to do anything because I have written everything nicely, title and description as well, really nicely. I have put those stuff, so I don't have to do. But you can check this, and let's say search query. If I click on SEO, oops, specialist Sri Lanka, right? And then preview SERP. So you can see how it looks like, right? So this is the main thing, right? And I can so let's say if I want to another word, maybe la, 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 da, 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 da. See, you can see this is title, right? So when you change it, you can see it, right? But you do it when you build the page, right? Especially if you are using SEO plugins like Rank Math or All in SEO or Yoast SEO, right? You can do it from there. And then you can see there's another feature called location checker, right? So with this feature you can see how it ranks, I mean for any keyword on another country, right? So if I want to see if my website appears for my main keyword, type it, search query SEO specialist Sri Lanka, and then execute. So it appears for this keyword on United States as well, right? And then there's another feature. Oops, sorry, I went to the wrong tab. Yeah, okay. And there's another feature, SEO in SEO Minion plugin, Minion extension. Sorry, I'm saying plugin. So this one. So you get two search queries, right? But one keyword, I mean two locations, right? So you can see how it ranks. Let's say a different keyword, SEO. I don't know whether it's how it is ranked. Expert in Sri Lanka, SEO expert in Sri Lanka. So I will click this to Sri Lanka. Okay, you can see it just changed. Okay, I want to see how it shows on United States and Sri Lanka for SEO expert in Sri Lanka keyword. Execute. Oops, why it didn't come? Okay, there's something wrong. I don't know what is wrong. Okay, so for this keyword, my website ranks as a third search result, right? Okay, but normally it works, but now I don't know. Maybe there's some problem. That's okay. Yeah, so but the main thing is actually it's so important, this the first option, analyze on page SEO. So when you do it, you can see what your competitor has done with on page SEO, right? How many H1 tags, what are the H1 tags, right? And the title and the word length and everything. And also if you search, I can show you. So now I just click, sorry, I just search SEO specialist Sri Lanka, right? And then there is one box coming from SEO Minion extension, right? So there are some stuff you can download, right? So download or copy, right? Suggestions. So you can download this if you want. So let's say, so this one, suggestions, 10 clicks, and then go 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. There you go. And then when I open this file, so I need to export it as other format, but I'm not going to do it. You can you know what I'm getting at, right? Okay, so that's it. That's how you can use SEO Minion extension for your on-page optimization, right? So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you like to learn SEO, you can subscribe to the channel. So see you in the next video.